ngicela futhi ke sibuye sibukelana ke. This is our roll on lena. I-roll on esiza kakhulu kubantwana bethu abanekhwaphela strong. Uyabona ukuthi abazukulu bethu o 8 9 10 njani njani. Then bese kithi sonke males and females abadala nabancane bayisebenzisa. So nje uyibona nje uyisebenzisa nje kuseni kuphela ube right, ihlala isikhathi eside. Yabahlala 4 months kuya ke. Ibaluleke kakhulu ukuthi ube nawo. Right, sikhumbule ukuthi all our products, whether ama supplement or home care, all our products are plant based. Then ake sibukelana. This is our lotion in Nourish. Uyayibona? The brand is G&H, Goodness and Health. Right, ayikavulwa ke because yomngani wami ozayo ukuthi azoyithatha. Right, sinama toothpaste ethu. Sinama toothpaste ethu sike sayenza ngike ngayenza video ukuthi enkulu nencane. I'm sorry ukuthi kakade sengigcoba kodwa vele akunabo because there is no chemical la. So usebenzisa nje engangeconsi. Yayibona nje uyaxoxa uyaqeda because I've already brushed my teeth. So nje uyayizwa leyo nto. Kunjalo nje ama product ethu anjalo, right? Sengifinalize yebo ama roll on wabangani bami laba bazodlula bawathathe. Then i-toothpaste enkulu esasho sathi yawuhlala 6 months. So this is our dish drop. I-dish drop yethu is concentrated. Skezi izitsha noma ngabe zinamafutha kanjani azidinga amanzi ashisayo, but if you like to use warm water it's fine. Then uyayifaka ku 10 liters of water, uyisebenzise kancane kancane ugeza izitsha zakho, ugeza nama fruit and vegetables because sikhuluma ngama plant based products. Then this is our LOC, multi-purpose cleaner yethu le. Same thing applies. Yobuzwa nje. Yabona is concentrated. Yes. So uyayithela ku 10 liters of water bese uyayisebenzisa ekhaya ucleaner all the surfaces yonke indlu, even roof, even a ceiling board, indonga, whatever ofuna usebenzisa ngayo ama floors ethu. So sitheke plant based and concentrated, last long. Ngiyabonga.